back, everybody. So today we are reviewing the Deluxe Chef set. So this is for kids. It says small parts, please, not for children 3 and under. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what you get. So you get your spatula, silicone spatula, metal, you got your measuring cups right here, or measuring spoons I should say. You got a little, that is really adorable. So you got a little mitt, oven mitt, your basing spoon, a wooden spoon, a wooden roller. So this is to roll your dough or your cookie dough, your flour out on. Cookie cutters of different animals. Looks like you have your, I believe when you're doing desserts, you're icing and you want to mold it and shape it to get it smooth. You have those. Looks like a little, almost like a pad to place something hot on, maybe. What do you guys think? You got silicone cupcake holders, so you would put your cupcakes inside there and form. Now I personally actually own some of these, and these work amazing for making different things, so definitely worth it. So far a really nice kit. So you got a little hat here. So this is a small hat for a child. And you have a nice little cute outfit for a child as well. Nice little apron. Oh, and look at that. It even has a little pocket. So yeah, this would be a great baking kit for a child. Absolutely would help them get into baking. So far, the quality of everything is extremely nice. I mean, everything is good quality. Even the oven mitt is nice and padded. So overall, it looks like a really nice kit for your child.